To add a credit card on Stockx, start by logging into your account and navigating to the account settings. This can be found by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner of the page. Then selecting Account Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Account Settings, click on the Payment Methods tab, where you will see the option to add a new payment method. Click on this and select credit card as your preferred payment method. You will then be prompted to enter your credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the details accurately, as any errors may prevent the card from being added successfully. Once you have entered your credit card details, click the Save button to add the card to your account. You may be asked to verify your identity through a verification code sent to your phone or email, depending on your account settings. After verifying your identity, your credit card will be added to your Stockx account and you can use it to make purchases. It is essential to ensure that your credit card information is up to date and secure, as this will help prevent any issues with your payments. It is also important to note that Stockx uses advanced security measures to protect your payment information, including encryption and secure servers. This means that your credit card details are safe and secure when you add them to your account. By following these steps, you can easily add a credit card to your Stockx account and start making purchases. Remember to always keep your account information and payment details up to date to ensure a smooth and secure shopping experience on Stockx.